I'm Nicola Sinclair. I'm Head of Widening Participation in UK Student Recruitment and also one of the Centre Directors for the new Centre for Social Mobility. We had a very lively workshop involving academic staff, professional staff and students. We were looking at the challenges that we as a university face, first in getting underrepresented and disadvantaged students into higher education in the first place, particularly in a selective institution like ours, but then also the support that we need to provide those students once they're here. We need to make sure that all students are on a level playing field and all of them have the chance for success. We had some really interesting group work where we considered certain students and their particular issues that they may face. For example, if they have caring responsibilities, if they're mature, if they're from low-income households, and looking at the quite practical steps that we as an institution can take to make big differences for them, to enable them to thrive in this environment and go on to really, really good jobs. Some of those things might be quite small, like the way that we consider the timetabling or the access and information that we provide to students who are disabled. Really lively discussion, lots of brilliant ideas, and now we're looking at how we can take some of those ideas forward.